When you purchase your PLC trainer with the incremental encoder option, it can connect directly to your Micro 850 PLC. You can also connect it to a Micro 820 PLC with a plug-in module or your Compact Logix PLC with a high-speed point.io module. At the end of this video, I'll point you to a playlist that talks about how to configure your Micro 850, but we want to wire A to input 0, B to input 1, and Z to input 2. Now, they don't give you a tremendous amount of other information about how to wire this, but these need to be open collector outputs, and that is what your incremental encoder option has. And here are the pinouts of the cable that comes with your incremental encoder. In this case, our white wire will be our 0 volt, and our brown wire will be our plus 24 volt. And we will pick that up on the back of our trainer. The left set of terminals will be your plus 24 volt or the brown wire. The right set of terminals will be your 0 volt or the white wire. Then pin 3, which is our green wire, will go to input 0. Pin 5, which is our gray wire, will go to input 1. And pin 7, which is our blue wire, will go to input 2. And you can find them on the top of your PLC trainer. Now, if you've been through many of my videos, the next question you have to ask yourself is, do you have current? And you do not, because we have this COM0 that is going to be the return path for inputs 0, 1, and 2. We have a 2080 L50E 24QBB, and we are going to be setting this up as a sourcing PLC input, which is opposite of what you're typically thinking. So we're going to take plus 24 volt to COM0, and then our inputs are going to get taken to our 0 volt through our encoder. Once you have that done, you need to slowly rotate your fan. And as you do, you will see inputs 0 and 1 flickering. And one time per revolution, you will see input 2. And honestly, input 2 is difficult to see because it is one single pulse per revolution. So if you see input 0 and input 1 flickering, chances are input 2 is working also. After you have yours wired, then you are ready to set up your encoder. And I've created this playlist right here that shows you how to do that and start talking about scaling and rates.